Good morning, happy Vlogmas day 5. It's Saturday morning and I just got out of the shower, did my skincare, and I need to get this room together. My room literally looks a mess. So throughout the week, my room just gets really junky. Wait, hold on, I need coffee. Pause. That first sip of coffee in the morning, impeccable. It is 8:49 a.m. and I'm about to clean my room. It's really gonna be a really chill Saturday. I don't have much planned besides work and cleaning. It's gloomy outside, so yeah, that's gonna be my day. I need my lashes done. Wow. Yeah, this is an off week, and typically on off weeks I chill. Last week was Thanksgiving, so yeah, I'm about to clean my room because on Sundays is when I like wash clothes and prepare for the week. So today is a clean the room day. I'm gonna clean my room, get it all nice spick and spank. Going from Atlanta to Detroit, it's a lot, and my room is much smaller here. I just have a lot in here. I learned that I am a hoarder. I just like to hold on to stuff. Don't ask me why. It just, I don't know, I just do. So I need to like go through my stuff, but that's another day. Right now it's just cleaning the stuff that I do have in here, because I don't want to go into the new week with old dirt. And then honestly, I like to clean up on Saturdays because throughout the week my room could be really clean on Sunday, really clean on Monday, and then by like Tuesday I get to like throwing clothes around. It's like it just gets junky. So yeah, I am waist training because girl, 2021 I'm coming body yaddy. Yeah, so 2021 I'm coming with it. So let me light my candle and get this started. I got this electric lighter from Amazon. One of my best purchases I made because it is just so cool. And y'all know I'm late in my forever mood. I have been getting all her collections since she started. This is the first one. This is the second one. Sidebar, sorry. I have to change my calendar too. All my other calendars, my Google calendar and then my small calendar, is all updated for this month. The only one that is not is this one. It is still saying November and it is now December 5th. Like, girl, change it. So yeah, I got my candles lit and we're gonna get into this cleaning. So like I said, I like to wash clothes on Sundays because I just do. So these are clothes that were washed last Sunday that I still have to fold and put up. So let's start with that. has been here literally like a week. Pretty close. This is a box from Shein. I need to record this haul, but I'm waiting on my other package to come, so I don't know. It's just in the way at this point. We're gonna clean this area. Remember when I said I was a hoarder? Yeah. So normally I'm ashy in the winter. Well, year round. Well, mainly in the winter. In the summer, I show my body more, so I normally put lotion on a little bit more. But in the winter, girl, I be ashy. So my self-discipline challenge, I added to my like habits list every time I get out the shower to put on Vaseline. I don't like lotion. I learned that about myself. Lotion, it just, I don't know, Vaseline just makes me feel all, you know, nice and smooth. So I have this old one, but it's literally empty, but it's a little bit left. But I don't want to toss this because I'm like, I could use that for like if my lips are ashy. But I have a whole new one, so like, should I toss it? I'm gonna toss it, but I don't want to toss. I'm working on myself. So I want to vacuum, but I'm gonna wait because it's kind of early. It's like 10 a.m. and I don't know if my whole house is awake or not. So I'm gonna clean my desk. So I finished my calendar. I still have some things to add to it, but for the most part it's done. I'm about to take that trash out, and then I have to edit some videos because girl, I'm chilling because we still on lockdown order here. So I really don't have any plans for today. I'm gonna edit this blog post, edit this video, and try to come up with some more content that I want to film today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.